Now, while UW Hospital says there was no negligence on their part, some trial attorneys disagree.
Now, one tells us they expect many of the 53 will come forward and file suit against the hospital. News 3's Marc Lovicott joins us with more tonight on that story. Marc.
Eric and Susan, lawyers call this reasonable fear, and emotional distress. That basically means there could be a lawsuit filed by those living with this lifelong worry that they may have CJD. In many cases and many symptoms of CJD, they don't appear for years or even decades. Attorney John Cate says what's different with this case is that there clearly is evidence of instrument contamination. He says the issue now is trying to determine and prove if the instruments used on a person during a surgery were indeed the exact same contaminated instruments used on the patient with CJD. He says the 53 people have a pretty strong case.
They may have come in contact with a deadly brain disease. I would think that would cause those people to be quite upset and quite concerned. So whether they contact lawyers about that, I have no idea. But I mean, most people are going to be pretty darn upset about that if they're told that.
Cate says it's a case of negligence causing significant emotional distress. He says, by the way, none of the 53 people involved have contacted his law firm, but he believes people will come forward and suits will likely be filed against UW Health.
Marc Lovicott reporting. Marc, thank you.
You bet.